Print on demand is a type of dropshipping model. However, the process is different from traditional dropshipping methods. Print on demand allows you to add your label or customized design to an array of products, but ensures you only have to purchase a product when a customer has placed an order. The process is quite simple. You set up your online store, choose a print-on-demand supplier and connect this to your online store. List the products you wish to sell on your online store. A customer will visit your website and then place an order, and this order is automatically passed to your chosen print-on-demand supplier. The supplier will then print the specified design onto the chosen product and package and ship directly to the customer by your print-on-demand supplier. In this video, we'll be going through print-on-demand products that you can create as a small business. Print-on-demand products are a popular way to sell customized, unique items to your audience without holding any inventory, from tote bags to backpacks. You can put your own designs on everyday products and sell them in your store, and this is so easy to do. You can just go on Canva, use templates if you have to, or just create a design if you're good at that stuff. The best print-on-demand products are phone cases. Starting a phone case business is easy with customizable phone cases. They are low cost to produce, you can design them in any way you want, and can return high margins compared to jewelry or clothes. Phone cases are like candles, and we always need new ones, either for an upgrade or for season changes. The demand remains constant, year in, year out. Another print-on-demand product is towels. Custom towels are another quality product to white label and sell online. You could create eye-catching beach towels, bath towels, hand towels, and more. You just have to find reliable print-on-demand sites that can provide good towel blends that will be durable for any use. The third print-on-demand product that you can sell is cushions. These are a popular print-on-demand product because you can sell them in any home decor themed e-commerce store. People are always buying holiday themed products, and cushions are also a big part of that, like Halloween or Christmas, or just to upgrade their home decor. The fourth print-on-demand product that is also popular is stickers. I believe that these are an original print-on-demand product that remains popular even to this day. That means that the demand has stayed prevalent over the years and people always want stickers. So you can create fun and appealing stickers that attract your audience's eye. The fifth print-on-demand product is engraved jewelry. Jewelry takes many shapes and sizes, and it's often small and lightweight, which makes it ideal for shipping. It's the perfect blank slate for custom designs and engravings, and there's an adequate demand for jewelry throughout the year. This could range from necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and anything adjacent. Charms also work very well as you can engrave text and pictures onto them. You can make really niche specific designs. Jewelry is often quite expensive to create, so many manufacturers don't cater to smaller groups of customers and niches. So print-on-demand jewelry is perfect for these targeted groups, since you can create jewelry specific to them and their wants without the risk. And you can create a variety of jewelry for both men and women. The sixth print-on-demand product is posters. You can turn your text affirmations or your art into posters and sell it online. This bridges the gap for all the expensive oil paintings or abstract canvases that people sell, with masses of people who prefer a more affordable option. Posters have always been popular, and they'll probably always be. Just make sure that any pictures you print on a poster are of high resolution. One other popular print-on-demand product is tote bags. This is a great item to add to your store because they're straightforward to design. The designs are printed on a flat rectangular surface, so it's easy to scale, adapt, and repurpose designs from other print-on-demand items. You can offer them as an upsell or a cross-sell. They're a great product to add on as a freebie. T-shirts are an extremely versatile piece of clothing because they work well in all seasons. Hence, it's probably one of the most popular print-on-demand products. T-shirts are wearable year-round and a single layer in the summer and under heavier items in the winter. Their popularity helps you incorporate any kind of lifestyle into them using the relevant graphics, pictures, or slogans. But because they're so popular, the competition is probably challenging. However, if you have the right designs that people want, then it's easy to sell a t-shirt. Mugs like t-shirts are one of the most popular print-on-demand products because they're so versatile and people use them a lot. Because you can find mugs anywhere, it's important to get creative with your mug options. You should be able to incorporate fun designs and slogans that present themselves as unique or different to what people are essentially used to. Another popular print-on-demand product is socks. They are fast and easy to make. You can design many styles including novelty, fashion, or colorful socks. The demand is steady throughout the year, but with significant increases in demand during the winter months. Backpacks are another unique print-on-demand item you can sell in your e-commerce store. You could easily run back-to-school promotions for various groups like college students, high school students, or parents with kids going into middle or elementary school. Print-on-demand companies make it possible for you to start an e-commerce business from home, to kickstart a print-on-demand clothing line with no startup capital. It helps you monetize a social media audience and to expand an existing business with new product lines. There are so many print-on-demand sites to choose from. I'm going to quickly go over 5 of them to help you get you started. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand companies out there. The product offering is quite impressive, and they also do embroidery on t-shirts as well as make and sell blankets. Another company is Printify, which provides access to an extensive network of print-on-demand suppliers around the world. This allows you an opportunity to choose the best supplier in your country for fast and cost-effective shipping. They also offer embroidery, sublimation, and direct-to-garment printing. Custom Cat is another print-on-demand company to consider. It's US-based and it offers printing options such as direct-to-garment, 3D eye infusion, and sublimation. It's said to have one of the largest print-on-demand merchandise catalogs available. Another company site is Spord, which is one of the fastest print-on-demand companies out there, boasting a 2-day turnaround. It offers different printing options, including digital direct, laser transfer, and sublimation. You can also use Spord to enable customers to customize products with their own designs and images. JetPrint is another print-on-demand company that offers products like watches and shoes, accessories, and homeware. This is an excellent choice for those looking to sell a particular product or niche. These are just a few of the sites that I've come across, but there are so many options that you can choose from, depending on what you're looking for. Creating your first print-on-demand design is a lot of fun and lets your creativity shine. Best of all, you don't have to be a designer. It's safe to say that print-on-demand models are the perfect option for e-commerce newcomers or those who want to try out an item before investing in large quantities. There are hundreds of different white labels products that you can customize to sell to your customers, and your design opportunities are endless.